I'm going to be a millionaire.
Imagine waking up one morning to find that the cryptocurrency you invested in is gone. The website deleted. The founders vanished. Your money never to be seen again. Well, this isn't some nightmare. This is the reality of crypto rug pulls, and it's happening more than you think. Today, we're breaking down what rug pulls are, how they happen, and exposing the scammers' playbook so you don't fall for their tricks. And for those of you with the hustle inside of you, I'll even be showing you how to create your own token and rug it.
Just a disclaimer, this video is just for educational purposes only. You should not replicate anything, and I do not endorse any of the actions and or tokens that I portray in this video.
So buckle up, let's dive in. A rug pull is one of the most devastating scams in the crypto world. It happens when a cryptocurrency project attracts investors in, builds massive hype, and then suddenly disappears, taking all the money with them. Imagine walking across a bridge, thinking it's sturdy, only for the builders to rip out the planks and set it on fire while you're still in the middle. That's a rug pull. One of the most infamous rug pulls, the Squid Game token. Investors thought they were buying into the next big crypto sensation, a token inspired by the hit Netflix series. The hype was real. Thousands of people jumped in, but overnight, the developers drained all liquidity, making it impossible for anyone to sell their tokens. The price collapsed from $2,861 to zero in seconds. Investors were left holding worthless tokens, while the scammers walked away with millions. A textbook rug pull. So, how do these scams actually work? Let's break it down step by step. First, scammers need to create a buzz. They launch a sleek website, spam social media with exaggerated claims, and sometimes even pay influencers to hype up the project. Big promises, zero substance. If someone tells you this coin will 100x overnight, get in now, that's your cue to drop everything you own of that token and run. Once the hype takes off, FOMO, fear of missing out, kicks in. People start buying in, believing they found the next big thing. The price climbs rapidly, and early investors feel like they've hit the jackpot. But here's the catch. Behind the scenes, the developers still own the majority of the token, and that's a disaster waiting to happen. And then boom, the developers pull the rug. Liquidity is drained, token prices plummet to zero, and the scammers vanish, sometimes deleting all traces of the project overnight. It's like a game of musical chairs, except the chairs are on fire and you never actually had a seat to begin with. Rug pulls don't just hurt individual investors, they damage the entire crypto ecosystem. Every time a scam like this happens, trust in new projects plummet, regulations tighten, and legitimate developers have to fight even harder to prove they aren't frauds. Crypto is supposed to be the future of finance, a revolutionary space free from traditional banking restrictions, but how can it achieve that if people are too afraid to invest? Okay, so you want to launch your own crypto rug. Well, here's the exact playbook scammers use. Don't take notes. Make a name packed with buzzwords. The more meaningless jargon, the better. Metaverse, AI, play to earn, DAO, perfect. It doesn't need a real product. It just needs to sound futuristic and exciting. Next, pay influencers to hype your project up. Bonus points if they have no idea how crypto actually works. They just need to scream LFG on Twitter and tell people it's the next big thing. That's all it takes. Once people start buying in, you pump up the price as much as possible, then at the perfect moment, you drain all liquidity and disappear. Simple, right? Except, of course, this is illegal, unethical, and ruins lives. Instead of scamming people, maybe use this knowledge to protect yourself from getting scammed. Just a thought. So now you know how rug pulls work and how to spot the red flags. The question is, will you be able to tell the difference between a scam and a real project next time? Drop a comment below. Have you ever lost money in a rug pull? Or do you think crypto will always be a magnet for scams? Let's talk. And if you want to know how to spot scams before they happen, hit that subscribe button and check out my next video. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Stay safe out there. See you in the next one.